Don't download Tidio Enterprise Customer Engagement Hub app before watching this. Before you download Tidio Enterprise, here's the truth. It's more than just a chat tool. At the enterprise level, Tidio provides iChatbots, live support, and workflow automation, but most teams get this wrong by assuming setup is simple. Step 1. Define engagement goals. Decide whether you want to boost sales, support, or lead capture. Most people get this wrong by deploying bots without strategy, frustrating users. Step 2. Configure and live chat. Customize responses, routing, and triggers. The surprising truth is, poorly configured chatbots can reduce conversions instead of increasing them. Step 3. Integrate with CRM, email, and e-commerce platforms. Without integration, customer data remains fragmented. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Track response times, conversions, and customer satisfaction. Teams that ignore metrics fail to improve engagement and ROI. The upside: proper Tidio enterprise use can increase lead capture by up to 20%, improve customer satisfaction, and streamline support operations. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team defines goals, configures it carefully, and monitors results. For smaller teams, standard Tidio plans may be sufficient. Subscribe for actionable advice to master enterprise customer engagement.